Hello students, today in this chapter pollution of air and water, chapter 18 of science, we will study about pollution, sources of air pollution and effects of air pollution. Pollution is the presence of high concentration of harmful or poisonous substances due to certain natural phenomena or by human activities. This is also called as environmental pollution or simply pollution. Now, pollution is caused by the substance, and that substance is called as pollutant. Pollution contaminates not only air, it contaminates water with poisonous substances, and it is very harmful for human beings, animals, plants, and as well as to the non-living things. It is of three types: solid waste pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. Today we will talk about air pollution in detail. The scene which is presented here, now you must recognize that this is air pollution. The pollution coming from the smoke coming from vehicles, from factories, power plants, all these are the sources of air pollution. So, how air gets polluted? We know what are air pollutants? The substances which contaminate air. Sometimes some substances may come from natural sources like smoke and dust, which comes from forest fires or from volcanic eruption. These are the natural sources of air pollution. Now, pollution is mainly caused by human activities. Like that sources are factories, power plants, automobile exhaust, burning of firewood, and dung cakes. Now, global warming. Now, this is the main reason why we want to avoid air pollution. Global warming is rising of sea levels, and that sea level will rise when the earth's temperature will increase. Now, global warming is the direct result of air pollution. When greenhouse gases like nitrous oxide, methane, and carbon dioxide, when their level increases in the earth, in the air, then these gases absorb the heat present in the atmosphere and they result in the global warming. Now, another effect of air pollution is acid rain. Now, this rain, you must be knowing that Taj Mahal, the color of Taj Mahal is nowadays it is yellowish in color. It is not so bright. So, that the main cause of yellowishness of Taj Mahal is acid rain. Now, how this acid rain is caused? This rain is caused when there is presence of sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides in the atmosphere. And how they come in the atmosphere? When vehicles which run on petrol, diesel, and due to the factories which produces smoke and lots of harmful gases. Now, acid rain not only it destroys the buildings, it is highly harmful for the water, for the forest, for soil resources, and it is harmful for the human health also. Now, you can see the Taj Mahal color, it has been discolorated due to acid rain. Now, Taj Mahal, which is located in Agra, is the matter of concern for the experts. Now, this monument, it is made up of marble, and marble, due to these harmful gases, that gets discolorated. So, due to which now the steps have been taken by Agra. Now, all the factories which are releasing those emissions have been shifted outside Mathura. And in Agra, you will find CNG run vehicles. I hope that must be clear to you how air pollution has